Reorder modules follow these steps. Firstly, open the experience. Once the experience opens, click on the Build Experience section. 4 modules are visible in the preview, as reflected here. To reposition a module, just click on it and drag it to the desired location. You can see that as soon as I do that, the module has changed placement in the preview as well. If I want this module to be at the second top, I simply have to click on it and drag it to the designated position. After I am done with that, I will click Save. Now let me demonstrate in the experience. As observed, the warranty module is positioned at the top, followed by the second module, shopping module, the link module, and finally, the survey module.